17. Impressive benefits of Moringa powder, and how do you consume it for powerful health transformation? Moringa powder has become a widely recognized superfood, and for good reason. Derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, this potent powder is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids that can contribute to better health. But beyond the typical superfood hype, Moringa powder offers a wide range of unique, research-backed health benefits. In this video, we'll break down these benefits in easy-to-understand terms, sharing real-life stories to illustrate how Moringa can improve your quality of life. Whether you want to enhance your skin health, boost your energy, or promote a healthy heart, Moringa powder is a natural solution worth exploring. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Protecting and nourishing skin and hair. Moringa powder has been a favorite among people looking to improve their skin and hair health. Its rich content of antioxidants, such as vitamin C and vitamin E, which help neutralize harmful free radicals, can help protect the skin from oxidative stress, giving it a radiant glow. Studies involving Moringa seed oil have shown promising results in reducing inflammation and accelerating wound healing, which can indirectly benefit skin health. Real-life users have reported noticeable improvements in skin elasticity and reduced acne when using Moringa-infused face masks. For hair, Moringa is known to nourish and strengthen the follicles, thanks to its essential nutrients. A user named Emily shared her experience on social media, stating, "I used Moringa powder mixed with coconut oil as a hair mask, and within a few weeks, my hair looked shinier and felt stronger. Even my dandruff issues started to clear up." While more scientific studies are needed to confirm these benefits, anecdotal evidence suggests that Moringa can be a great addition to any natural hair care routine. Number 2. Treating edema. Edema, a condition where fluid builds up in the body's tissues, can be painful and difficult to manage. Research conducted on mice with ear edema indicated that Moringa seed oil might have strong anti-inflammatory effects, reducing inflammation significantly. Although this study is based on animal models, people with mild cases of edema have found that incorporating Moringa powder in their diet helped reduce inflammation. One user, David, said, "After incorporating Moringa into my morning smoothie, I noticed a reduction in swelling in my legs within a month. It felt like my body was flushing out the excess fluid." Number 3. Protecting the liver. Moringa powder may play a significant role in protecting the liver against damage, including non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, which is a condition where excess fat builds up in the liver without alcohol use. Animal studies have shown that Moringa can help reduce cholesterol and inflammation levels in the liver. Liver health is critical for overall well-being, as it helps detoxify the body. For some people dealing with liver issues, like fatty liver disease, including Moringa in their diet was a game changer. Sophie, a health blogger, shared that after using Moringa powder for 2 months, her liver enzyme levels showed marked improvement, much to her doctor's surprise. Number 4. Preventing and treating cancer. Moringa contains a compound called niacinamide, which is thought to suppress the growth of cancer cells. Extracts from Moringa leaves and bark have been found to have anti-cancer properties, particularly against breast, liver, and colorectal cancers. Though these findings are primarily from preliminary studies, people have embraced Moringa for its potential as a preventive measure. Olivia, a breast cancer survivor, reported, "I added Moringa to my diet as a supplement, alongside my chemotherapy. I believe its antioxidant properties help me feel better throughout my treatment." Number 5. Supporting digestive health. Moringa is rich in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. It can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. In one study, Moringa reduced stomach acidity by about 85%, showing potential in preventing peptic ulcers. Many users have mentioned that Moringa worked wonders for their gut health. Daniel, who suffered from chronic constipation, wrote, "Adding Moringa powder to my yogurt every morning helped me feel more comfortable and regular. It even seemed to help with my acid reflux issues." Number 6. Boosting energy levels naturally. Moringa is an excellent natural energy booster. Unlike the temporary energy boost from caffeine, Moringa provides a steady and sustained energy increase thanks to its combination of iron, magnesium, and vitamin C. Users like Megan have shared how they felt less fatigued and more energetic after consistently consuming Moringa powder. I added a teaspoon of Moringa to my morning smoothie, and the difference was incredible. I had more energy at work and didn't experience the usual afternoon crash, she explained. Number 7. Managing blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes or those wanting to keep their blood sugar in check, Moringa powder can be very beneficial. Moringa contains compounds that may reduce insulin resistance, thereby helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. A small study involving people with diabetes found significant improvements in glucose levels when Moringa powder was added to their diet. Real-life accounts from users indicate similar benefits, with some reporting lower blood sugar readings after taking Moringa. Number 8. Promoting weight loss and metabolism. Many people looking to lose weight have turned to Moringa powder as a natural metabolism booster. It contains fiber and chlorogenic acid, which helps control appetite, reduce cravings, and increase the body's ability to burn fat. Rachel shared, "I added Moringa to my breakfast bowl, and over 3 months, I noticed my weight started to drop steadily. It was not a magic pill, but it supported my weight loss goals along with a balanced diet and exercise." Number 9. Enhancing mental clarity and focus. The brain-boosting effects of Moringa powder have made it a popular choice for students and professionals alike. Moringa is rich in iron, which promotes better oxygen transport to the brain, aiding focus and mental clarity. Athletes and those in demanding professions have shared their success stories of using Moringa powder for enhanced cognitive function. For example, Alex, a university student, shared that he noticed improved concentration and memory after including Moringa tea in his study routine. Number 10. Supporting cardiovascular health. Moringa powder's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it highly beneficial for heart health. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in Moringa, can help reduce inflammation and prevent lipid buildup, both of which are contributors to heart disease. One real-life case involves Brian, who had high cholesterol levels. He stated, "After taking Moringa powder daily for 6 months, my cholesterol levels dropped significantly, and my doctor was impressed. It has now become a regular part of my heart health regimen." Number 11. Improving eye health. Beta-carotene, an important antioxidant found in Moringa, plays a key role in maintaining and improving eye health. Moringa helps prevent macular degeneration and other age-related vision issues. Grace, a retired teacher, shared that after using Moringa powder for almost a year, she felt that her vision, especially at night, improved. "I feel like my night driving has become easier," she added. Number 12. Reducing high blood pressure. The ability of Moringa to help lower blood pressure is another reason for its popularity. A study on healthy participants who consumed cooked Moringa leaves showed reduced blood pressure readings. "I was on the verge of needing medication for high blood pressure, but since adding Moringa powder to my diet, my readings have stabilized," said Paul, a 45-year-old manager. Number 13. Enhance libido. Moringa is known to enhance sexual health in men by improving testosterone levels, thanks to its rich content of vitamins and minerals such as zinc. It can also boost stamina and overall vitality. Several male users have reported increased energy and libido after including Moringa in their diet. Peter, a fitness enthusiast, shared, "I started taking Moringa powder, and I noticed not only better stamina during workouts, but also an improvement in my overall sexual health." Number 14. Improving sleep quality. Moringa is high in tryptophan, which aids in the production of serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep. Users have reported improved sleep quality when consuming Moringa before bedtime. Adding a teaspoon of Moringa powder to warm milk or herbal tea can make for a relaxing pre-sleep drink. Rebecca shared, "Since I started drinking Moringa tea before bed, I've been sleeping deeper and waking up feeling more refreshed." Number 15. Supporting bone health. Moringa is rich in calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. Regular consumption can help improve bone density and prevent conditions like osteoporosis, especially for aging individuals. Many older adults have included moringa powder in their diet and reported stronger bones and fewer joint issues. Michael, a senior citizen, mentioned, "Adding moringa powder to my diet has really helped with my joint pain. I feel like my bones are getting stronger day by day." Number 16. Enhancing immune system. Moringa is packed with antioxidants and vitamins such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help strengthen the immune system, keeping infections at bay. Many people have found that consuming moringa regularly has helped them avoid seasonal illnesses like colds and flu. Lucy shared, "I've been using moringa for a year now, and I haven't had a single cold. It really feels like my immune system is stronger." Number 17. Women hormonal balance. Moringa is particularly beneficial for women, especially during pregnancy and lactation. It is rich in calcium, iron, and vitamins, which are essential for both mother and child. Many women have also found moringa helpful in balancing hormones and alleviating symptoms of menopause due to its phytoestrogen content. Jessica, a mother of 2, stated, "I took moringa powder during my breastfeeding period, and I felt more energetic and noticed an increase in my milk supply. It really helped me through the postpartum phase." Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of moringa powder. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions of these special herbs. Question 1. What are the best ways to consume moringa powder? The best way to consume moringa powder depends on your personal preferences and health goals. Here are some popular ways to include moringa powder in your diet. Smoothies. Adding a teaspoon of moringa powder to a smoothie is a popular option. It blends well with fruits, yogurt, and other healthy ingredients, making it easy to mask the earthy taste. Tea. You can mix moringa powder into hot water to make a simple tea. Adding honey and lemon enhances the flavor. Drinking moringa tea before bedtime may help improve sleep quality. Soups and broths. Stirring a small amount of moringa powder into soups or broths adds nutrients without altering the flavor much, and the heat doesn't significantly degrade its nutrients. Juices. Moringa powder can be mixed with orange juice or other fruit juices to mask the slightly bitter taste. This is an easy way to get its benefits in the morning. Baking. You can add moringa powder to baked goods like muffins, bread, or cookies. This is a great way to make baked treats healthier. Salad dressing. Mix moringa powder into a vinaigrette dressing for an extra boost of nutrients. This works well with green salads. Capsules. If you don't like the taste, you can also take moringa powder in capsule form, ensuring you still get the benefits without having to mix it into food. Question 2. Why is moringa called the miracle tree? Moringa is often called the miracle tree because it provides an exceptional array of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and has been used for centuries for its numerous medicinal properties. It supports various aspects of health, from boosting immunity to improving skin and hair health. Question 3. What vitamins are in moringa? Moringa is rich in vitamins A, C, and E. It also contains B vitamins such as B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin, all of which contribute to overall health. Question 4. What is the best time to drink moringa powder? The best time to drink moringa powder is in the morning to take advantage of its energy-boosting properties. However, if you want to improve your sleep, you can take it in the evening with warm milk or herbal tea. Question 5. How much moringa is safe per day? It is generally safe to consume 1 to 2 teaspoons, approximately 5 to 10 grams, of moringa powder per day. Start with a small amount, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Question 6. Who cannot take moringa? Pregnant women should avoid moringa bark and root, as they may cause complications. Additionally, people on blood-thinning medication should consult a healthcare professional before taking moringa. Question 7. When should I avoid moringa? Avoid moringa if you are pregnant or if you have a condition that may be affected by its blood-thinning properties. Always consult with a healthcare provider if you have any medical conditions. Question 8. Does moringa whiten skin? Moringa is rich in antioxidants and nutrients that can help improve skin tone and reduce pigmentation, but it does not directly whiten the skin. It promotes an even and radiant complexion. Question 9. Can I boil moringa powder in water? Yes, you can boil moringa powder in water to make tea. However, to preserve its nutrients, it's better to use warm rather than boiling water. Question 10. Can I drink moringa powder daily? Yes, moringa powder can be consumed daily as a supplement to support overall health. Consistent use may provide benefits such as increased energy, improved digestion, and better immune function. Question 11. Which is better, fresh or dried moringa? Both fresh and dried moringa have their benefits. Fresh moringa leaves contain more vitamin C, while dried moringa powder is more concentrated and has a longer shelf life, making it easier to store and use. Question 12. Which part of moringa is best? The leaves are considered the most nutritious part of the moringa tree, containing high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, the seeds, flowers, and roots also offer health benefits. Question 13. Which is better, turmeric or moringa? Both turmeric and moringa have powerful health benefits. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while moringa is packed with essential nutrients. The choice depends on your specific health needs. Question 14. Which form of moringa is best? Moringa powder is the most versatile form, as it can be easily added to food and drinks. Capsules are a convenient option for those who dislike the taste, while fresh leaves can be used in cooking. Question 15. Can I drink moringa on an empty stomach? Yes, moringa can be taken on an empty stomach. It may even enhance nutrient absorption and provide a natural energy boost to start your day. Question 16. Can moringa reduce belly fat? Moringa may aid in reducing belly fat by boosting metabolism, reducing inflammation, and curbing appetite. It should be used as part of a balanced diet and exercise plan for effective weight loss. Question 17. Can I mix moringa powder with milk? Yes, you can mix moringa powder with milk for a nutritious drink. It pairs well with both dairy and plant-based milk and is often taken before bed to promote relaxation. Question 18. Does moringa have side effects? Moringa is generally safe for most people, but excessive consumption may cause digestive issues such as nausea or diarrhea. It's important to start with a small dose and increase gradually. Question 19. Which are the 3 best moringa supplements in the market now? The 3 best moringa supplements in the market currently are Kuli Kuli Pure Moringa Powder, Pura Vida Moringa Capsules, and Organic Veda Moringa Leaf Powder. These supplements are well known for their high quality, nutrient density, and positive user reviews. Have you tried moringa powder? We would love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Feel free to share your favorite ways to incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.